I don't know if this is a joke or not. But I don't think it's a joke. You've been wondering why kuti uri kutry kuita something in life and zviri kufaila. You've done your research, you have the capacity, you have the finances, you have the plan, a well-devised plan. But zvinhu zvauri kuzama kuita zviri kuramba. Waopena shop hakuna munhu ari kuuya kuzotenga, wavhura boutique, wavhura salon, hakuna munhu ari kuuya kuzogadzirwa musoro, wavhura musika, hapana munhu ari kuuya kuzotenga madomasi. Zvinhu zviri kuramba zvakangodhakwa. Well, let me tell you something. Kuti kune vanhu vakafanana na-atheists who are discouraging my potential clients kuti auye kushop kwako. I'm just wondering kuti what's going on there with that statement. Let us read it together. My content creators vamwe vakungoti padiki padiki uye ku YouTube hatidi isu tunoda pano. Iwewe nani? That is the question. So what atheist is doing here, he is influencing vanhu in a bad way. The result is other people's businesses are not going to be successful. Atheist, to me, when I look at him, he's an influencer by now. He can tell people what to do. This is what happens when you give power to wrong people. So imagine you have a YouTube channel, you are creating content on YouTube, then there's a link on your page and you encourage people and say, please guys, go and support me by watching. Then boom, atheists all post that. My followers are going to expect out vakaenda vakanoona content yako ku YouTube unoita mari. Voona this post. Imagine what is going to happen. Most Zimbabweans do not understand that content creation takes a lot of power. It consumes a lot of time and you spend a lot of money. Look at me, I've invested in a lot of equipment here to create content. I've bought my cameras, my gimbal, my monitor speakers for audio. Even if I post on Facebook, you need to know could this video that I'm making is worth a lot of money because of the elements that are making this video. Saka, my Zimbabweans, let me tell you something. Amukwanise kusupporta my content creators financially through my subscriptions, my stars, the best thing you can do is just to go on dongorira, click a like by video remono YouTube. But just because there are other people who are working tirelessly, vanhu atheists, to see vanhu kudubuka. It got me thinking and wondering, what's going on? Why is he fighting my YouTube content creators? And I'm a YouTube content creator. I've been wondering why I post on Facebook. I'm going to 15 views. But on Facebook, I have more than 30 something followers. 30k something followers. How come? What's going on there? Because what I expect is when I not create a cheap content with Facebook. Because Facebook I bad YouTube do not bad. I'll be expecting to watch support YouTube since they cannot give me my stars, since they cannot pay my subscription. They can just use the same data. You'll be shocked to hear did you know Facebook inojiga data inojiga battery on YouTube? Did you know that? So I was reading the comments. I'm going to read a few comments here. With more how poisonous atheists are and how people are being manipulated and hypnotized. My content creators are pama position asinga deserving. So atheists akanyora kuti my content creators vamwe vakungoti padiki uye ku YouTube hatidi isu tunoda pano pasina mari yakawanda ku YouTube tinofambira kunoridza music kwete imi. Instead yekuti ati ndinofambira waona atona kuti atanga kuhotspota vamwe vanhu. So vananda atanga kuverenga ma comments panapa hanzi sure ndingafambira ku YouTube masikiti echinherera iwaya tovinga music ne information ine musoro. Let me tell you something, anonzi chanti. Iwo wacha autori na musoro. YouTube akufambirwe nemusoro but kunoendwa nemunhu ane musoro. So when I look at your statement, you have exposed yourself kuti you watch autori namusoro. And somebody had to say that, haha. So when you look, there's a pattern with these people. And the YouTube attended to lean panasho. YouTube to fambira tinasha mugabe na mambo mtasa cheti. You took the words out of my mouth. Aiwa munhu wese uyai ku YouTube vedu what YouTube inoda nyaya dzatete tiuda nezvema DNA test zvinonakidza. Chokwadi chacho YouTube inongoda tinashe mugabe. Maneva venga vanenge vaine nganga. Munhu tomuonera kwatakamuzira. So you're wondering why your platforms are not growing. There are people who are busy there on other social platforms discouraging other fellow countrymen to support other fellow countrymen. Vanovana na atheists ndovangada to influencer vanhu vachitaura kuti guys endai munosupporta mamwe maZimbabweans, endai munoona content yavo, endai munosubscribe, endai munoti chichi. You understand? And you're wondering, and you know kuti muZimbabwe hamuna mabasa. A person like me or another YouTube content creator is trying to feed a family yake YouTube channel yake, and then there is another war father varikuita go against that vachitaura kuti vanhu musaende ku YouTube. Imagine. Saka there's a pattern pa vanhu vari kuwirirana vachiti hanzi true attend ini only music. Kudhara takanofambira YouTube dzavo. Unoona kuti level of thinking. This is why these people are stuck on Facebook. I did another video some time ago ndichitaura inini kuti ma platforms anoratidza pfungwa dzevanhu mafungira avanoita. Saka hakuna izvo ndezvekunyepa zvekuti uenda ku YouTube kufambira zvine musoro. Tinoenda ku YouTube ibrain dzemunhu wacho kuti dzine musoro iri first. Saka this platform on Facebook yabviswa pa number 1. Kanta kuti sama intellects kuti vanhu vari kufollowa this platform vane intelligence dzakadi, their capacity kuti yakamira sei. Automatically avacha qualify kuenda pa number 1 on pa Facebook. So you can see udofo, you can detect a lot of things there. Mumani wow. Apa wataura chokwadi nandiende ku YouTube ipo pano whatever izvo iwe zvomara. The main reason or the reason why these people are not going to YouTube is not kuti the reason is because they know that if they go and watch your videos on YouTube, they are going to make money. This is pure raw, organic, jealous, evil. That is the reason why they don't go to YouTube, why they are encouraging other people. When I did my research last time trying to figure out why there are people who fight other people on social media and other stuff, I realized that these people tried these things and they were disappointed. Now they are bitter that we were not successful on social media. When they see you doing something, now they try to pull you down. When we look at this atheist, you can see that YouTube is akadakwa. So he knows that YouTube a loser. Some people will make a winner. They've made money. So now he's looking those vanobvuma ukuudzirwawo zvekuitawo matofo ndo vaachalokera kuFacebook. Saka guys, I just wanted you to know that sometimes you have been trying business, salon, butchery, whatever, any kind of business, and you're wondering why it is because of people vakafanana atheists. Vano influencer vanhu, don't go and buy there. And I'll shop right. Ungaina untenga pamusika wa mairuru. Madovasa ndenga uspa. How are we going to be successful as black people when we do this? Imagine when you look at my white people's channels on YouTube, kune subscribers on thousands, comments, people participating and other stuff. When you look at Nigerian content creators, you see vanongana followers millions. Kuti zvezvo unotoshamisa kunzi svika 2 million, hazvo svika 500 followers, zvinoshamisa nyika yese muZimbabwe. In Nigeria, millionaires, a lot of millionaires there. Why? Because they understand in supporting each other. Jew nations, they support each other. Then we have a black fellow man discourage other people to go onto YouTube. And when I look at vanhu vacho vari kukomenda vaita ndendeko, 98% of the people who are saying, who are agreeing with the atheists, let us not go to YouTube, they are women. They are women. I'm going to post the link in the comment section. You are going to find out. Imagine a woman. How are you going to grow as a husband? How is she going to support? Is she going to support you when you try to do a business? Or if you come with an idea into your house, is she going to support you? No. Whenever in this type of hanzeni kuYouTube ndofambira ma secrets and confessions nemusic chat. Ina ndiende kunoona maskit kuYouTube ini. At least someone had to say it. Chikangozi kuYouTube takutoscrolla tichidarika it. Why? I told you. Because they know that if they go to YouTube, that person is going to make money. So they are just jealous. There's nothing wrong with the content here and all that stuff. And they don't realize that YouTube, like what I've said, depends more on a battery. Facebook, depends more on a battery than YouTube. Mashotera is not shorter because somebody is going to make money. And to kumira pano YouTube day music. Imagine a fool mother vakatobata vana 2 vanonzwadzana ichimutanda. Vana mafungire wife ngoti ku YouTube ndekwe music. Ku Apple Music, ku DistroKid, kuna ma platforms music, kwete ku YouTube. So we have a country full of people like this and you're expecting Zimbabwe kuti iende kumberi. How are we going to go kumberi nevanhu vakadaiwo? Imagine. Zvikutonzi ndataura weipapa. So this post expose a lot of people how many Zimbabweans think, and they expose our atheists his thinking capacity, his intellectual capacity. Why would that in a time? It's better to say it's not data, not to say my reasons are good. And YouTube ndiko ma secret and confessions DNA music shondoenda ndiri kubasa kana tatokumba ndinenge ndotoona mamovie. Imagine people using YouTube for playing music. Kuna another Apple Music and a SoundCloud. I don't specialize in music. So if you've been wondering, guys, I just wanted you to see this is what is happening. This is why you are not getting my views on YouTube channel when you post your link in the comment section on your page, because people are being discouraged to go there. And there are other people who are discouraged who are working tirelessly day and night, 24 hours, 365 days a year, discouraging fellow brothers to support fellow brothers, fellow sisters to support fellow brothers, vice versa. Imagine if you want to create a content to YouTube, you have spent money on transport, logistics, hiring, equipment, editing, and all that stuff. And wait, I don't even know what's going on. Imagine. And the Gunobate ku YouTube at Daru. And YouTube and never. So we have Zimbabweans and and this left me wondering, imagine to get in sessions and we have other people saying so this is exposed level of intelligence on Facebook. Number 2 on YouTube number 1, but now they are way below. They are WhatsApp and WhatsApp yoenda panumber 9, Facebook yoenda panumber 10, panumber 1 kuenda YouTube, TikTok number 2. At least the TikTok people support, they support a lot, they like. Imagine, I've been wondering what's going on. Chitori chimwe chakatopinda vanhu chekusangosapotana chete chekurwadziwa kuti ndikangomusapota sekuri kuno ndakavasapota vangoita maviews akadai vaenda. PaFacebook paipana kuti ausapota paunopiwa $, for 20,000 views. Ivo vanhu vachobva kugara musana, kugara kumeso nemagara asina bhurukwa kuti utanze kuti usvika 1,000 views chaicho. Saka kusabudira kwedu munyika, let us not blame the government. I'm not going to be blaming ZANU-PF right now, but it up. Us ourselves, tisu takaora, tine utsinye chaiyo watinawo pachedu. Saka sometimes my government they don't portray who we are, how we think. Imagine kugara mulocation nevanhu vakadaro vanomafungira akadai. How are you going to prosper? Shop yako yacho inotengwa nani? Unobudirira sei pakadai? Then vanhu vangomuka vaiti ZANU-PF yakaipa chichi. Imimi muromboita sei? First of all, imimi makamboita sei? Muchidai? Siyana ine ZANU-PF.